Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the NYXI Striker Retro Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, a feature-packed board that aims to blend vintage aesthetics with modern functionality. Right off the bat, the NYXI Striker impresses with its multi-device connectivity. It offers Bluetooth 5.0, a 2.4 GHz wireless mode, and a USB-C wired option. The built-in 5-channel mode allows seamless switching between devices like Windows, Android, Mac, iOS, and even iPad systems. This is a huge plus for anyone who juggles multiple devices throughout the day. The hot swappable design is a welcome addition, allowing users to easily change out the switches to customize the feel and sound of the keyboard. The PC plus ABS material construction feels solid, and the dual-color keycaps provide a comfortable and elastic typing experience. The gasket structure contributes to a refined and soothing sound profile, making each keystroke a pleasure. Aesthetically, the NYXI Striker doesn't disappoint. The 22-color backlit RGB keyboard offers a wide range of customization options, allowing users to personalize their setup. The 4 dynamic matrix display modes add another layer of visual flair, with the ability to switch to captivating monochrome animations. The NYXI Driver app is a standout feature, offering extensive macro customization. Whether connected via wired, 2.4G, or Bluetooth, the app allows for flexible setup and effortless one-touch macro creation. It also manages lighting settings, streamlining intricate tasks, and enhancing both work and gaming experiences. Comfort is clearly a priority with the NYXI Striker. The precision volume roller allows for effortless audio adjustments, while the anti-slip silicone pads keep the keyboard firmly in place. The 3-stage tilt stand provides customizable ergonomics, ensuring comfort during long typing sessions or intense gaming. In conclusion, the NYXI Striker Retro Mechanical Gaming Keyboard offers a compelling combination of features, aesthetics, and comfort. Its multi-device connectivity, hot swappable design, customizable RGB lighting, and macro support make it a versatile option for both work and play. The comfortable typing experience and thoughtful design elements further enhance its appeal. If you're looking for a retro-inspired mechanical keyboard with modern features, the NYXI Striker is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.